Buried in the trash, court records tied to rapes, murders, and more violent crimes.
Tonight, WDSU investigative reporter Cassie Sherm reveals what was really thrown out at a New Orleans landfill by city employees and why the clerk of court says the city's mistake could have serious legal consequences. Cassie.
I'm outside the Gentilly landfill here, where court employees have been digging through the trash for days, desperately trying to search for those missing and destroyed documents that were basically just dumped by the city here.
Like a heap of trash and just blowing around, and for anyone to see and have access to, that's a real serious matter.
Clerk of Court Darren Lombard is talking about court records meant to be protected, locked in trailers, but instead were dumped here in a landfill.
It made me sick to my stomach to see that.
What kind of documents are we talking about?
Criminal case files, some of which are capital cases, rape cases, and of that nature.
The documents were housed at a Department of Public Works facility, but for years, Lombard has been warning the city that something like this could happen.
The issue is that the city is responsible for our housing and where we're located and how we're funded. Because of the mechanics of it all and the bureaucracy of it all, it delayed things over the years.
How did the documents end up in the trash?
Understanding from the questioning that we did of the staff located out there that they were given a directive to dispose of the records. A very disturbing revelation to us, given the fact that we've been in contact with the city for years, seeking relief from the problem of having records not located where we wanted them to be located.
So Lombard and court employees took to the landfill.
It was probably a 50-yard by 50-yard area that we searched through and even had the facilities use their excavator. And there were some cases where we were finding stuff as deep as 30 feet below the surface.
Now, to give you guys a perspective of just how many documents were recovered from the landfill back behind me here, we're talking about not just one whole container of documents, we're talking about 65 of them, but also 15 trash bags full as well.
It's just unfortunate that we have to go through all of this and, cause damage to the records of the court. I mean, it's a serious matter, and it appears to me that some folks didn't take it seriously.
Now, Attorney General Liz Murrill says that this is unacceptable, and she's also demanding answers, so we can probably expect an investigation to be coming out of her office pretty soon. Reporting here in New Orleans, I'm Cassie Sherm, WDSU Investigates.
The city did send a statement about this issue, saying that they have reached out to the clerk's office and Public Works to resolve this matter.